Well, Apurva now joins us live from Chennai. Good morning, Apurva. You know, the exit polls, Apurva, all of them, if we were to look at them, give a clear edge to the DMK. And this is the first time that we are seeing elections in Tamil Nadu without, the stellar faces that we've seen over the years. So, in that sense, if the DMK were to actually form a government, it would perhaps also be a thumping victory for Stalin, because he took over the party amidst a lot of controversy, and then he steered it to this position if they do win today.
Well, that's right. Definitely a lot of things is on ground today. If we see counting is expected to start at 8 o'clock. We are here at one of the counting centers at Loyola College, and by the preparations that are being made, you can see the kind of, preparations and security that has been made out here. There is heavy security that has been deployed here. Throughout Tamil Nadu, there is almost close to 75 counting centers here in the state, and it will be interesting to see with these what will be the outcome today, because definitely the exit polls have said that DMK is most likely to be leading. And remember, the AIADMK had won in 2011, 2016. It will be interesting to see if the AIADMK will come back to power in 2021 as well. In fact, with the AIADMK cadres and leaders of AIADMK quite confident that they do not believe in the exit polls, but they believe in the future of the people. They believe in the people. That is what AIADMK says. We also have several other new contestants in the fray, including Makkal Neethi Mayyam, which is led by actor turned politician Kamal Haasan, as well as AMMK, which is led by TTV Dinakaran. So with all of this that is being said here in battleground Tamil Nadu, it will be interesting to see what will be the kind of events that will unfold today. Remember, this will mark an important time in Tamil Nadu politics, because not only will this be the first major elections that the state will be seeing post the demise of both the stalwart leaders J. Jayalalitha and M. Karunanidhi, but this will definitely see what will be the next step of action for politics, for the face of politics here in Tamil Nadu. Back to you.
Well, absolutely. They're very interesting battle. It will be in the state of Tamil Nadu as well. Apurva, thanks very much for joining in. But it has been barbs that have been flowing at each other ever since the beginning of the election process between the DMK and the AIADMK. This is the latest reaction coming in on part of the Chief Minister of the state. Of course, we'll also put out what Rahul Gandhi has to say in this hotly contested battle.